Hi everyone, it's Ann here from Ann Makes. Welcome to my studio. If you are new here, I would so like it for you to subscribe, and if you click on the bell, you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Today I bring you yet again another Dollar Tree haul. This is part of a previous video, but it was getting to be so long that I decided I should divide it. And so this is the rest of the stuff that I bought during several stops at several Dollar Tree, well, at two different Dollar Trees over the last few days. Actually, only I went a lot often to Dollar Tree over the last 3 days. Okay, so here we go. I like to buy lots of items to keep in my storage for future crafts, DIYs, home decor ideas that I get. And one of those things I picked up because I thought there's multiple uses for that, and I see so many projects on Pinterest and YouTube and Instagram, and I'm always, impressed by the thinking of other crafters. And I see people using these plastic wine glasses for crafty purposes and all sorts of DIYs. So I got some to add to my stash. This is a 6-pack, I think. Yeah, a 6-pack of, these are champagne glasses. And yeah, so I got those to add, because I'm looking at this and I'm seeing there's a circle here. There's there's 2 pieces per glass that could be used in different projects. And they could also be used as champagne glasses for a party. I also picked up these spoons. These are the mini tasting spoons. There are 8 in a pack. And yeah, these are great for tasting, apparently. Do food tastings and stuff. But I would use these to serve little hors d'oeuvres, little desserts, just for fun, little party foods, whatever. But also to use in some sort of DIY, some crafting possibility. When I look at the spoons, I look at the shape. I see here that it's flat. I see that there's a curve. There's other things I think that could be done with these. So I got those. And I saw only one at my Dollar Tree. I don't know why there was only one, and it's the first time I see these. But the bamboo cutting boards. And I see my US, the US YouTubers haul these and make crafts out of them. And I'm like, I've never seen those at my Dollar Tree. So yeah, I finally found one, so I got it. It's just a bamboo board. We can buy bamboo boards and cutting boards at Dollarama, but this is only $1.25, so it's a little bit better price. It's a small size, but if you want a small size board, this is perfect. So I got that. Now I got these. These are new. These little decorations. They're like a little block with a decoration on the top, and this one is the unicorn one and says believe in magic. Very pretty. It's a solid block. I look at this as a potential gift for someone. It would be pretty to give this with, in a gift bag or so. And I also see the possibility of this, if this does not get gifted to anyone, that I could actually repurpose this. I have a unicorn here that could be repurposed, and I have this block that could be repurposed. So I always look at things that way. If I don't gift this to someone, I could alter it unless I want to keep it for my own decorating. And some of these are, yes, I intend to use them as for my own decorating, of course. Because seriously, if you don't believe in magic, what's the point? I also got You Are the Peanut to My Colada. I thought this was really, really cute. This would be really cute for like a luau type of thing. You could put this where we serve the drinks and stuff. Or you could, if you have like a little bar at home, or you know, you have like a place where you serve refreshments, or in a kitchen. Oh, there's so many places you could put this. Very, very cute. And this one is so pretty also. Mermaid Kisses and Starfish Wishes. I just think this is very pretty. Such a pretty little decor. Lots of people are into mermaids. I love mermaids myself. Yeah, and this would be pretty in like a girly bathroom too. This one is Home Sweet Home with the cactus. And I just think that's really lovely sign. I would definitely be the type to use a Home Sweet Home sign. And the cactus is so nice. And you know, I was thinking, if you could always make something else to go over the cactus, and if you wanted to put maybe, you know, like a snowman for winter, or something, pumpkin for Halloween, or yeah, and then you could keep the base but just change the top by covering it. Anyway, that's my idea. And then this one I thought is perfect for the teacher. I'm as lucky as can be. The world's best teacher teaches me. What a nice gift to give to a teacher. I would buy these now and keep them maybe for the end of the year, or you know, sometime during the year to give to a teacher. You could give it on the first day of school too, but you know, how do you don't even know this teacher yet. Or it's like, really, they don't know the teacher. I mean, it's kind of, you know, you're really kissing up to the teacher if you give this on the first day of school, really. But anyway, I just thought it was really, really sweet gift to give to anybody that is in teaching, whether it's a school teacher, whether it's an instructor, a professor, whatever. I think that's really sweet. So, moving on in the stationery section. No, actually, this was in where they have the techie stuff, the cables, the USB cables, and the earphones, and cell phone covers. They have these. These are new. They are stylus pen, 4-color stylus pens. So it's the clicky 4-color pens, but it's also a stylus. This for me is awesome. This is definitely going in my purse because I am always in need of a pen, and I love having a multicolored pen in my purse for when I need to write notes, I need to scratch things. So anyway, I use these a lot, especially when I travel. I use these when I'm out and about. So, and the fact that it has a stylus is amazing, because sometimes I need a stylus to type things on my phone or my iPad, and this is really helpful. So they had them in this red color and this purple, which to me in the store looked pink. Really, with the lighting and the way the packaging was, it looked pink in the store. And now it looks purple, right? So, okay, doesn't matter. I like purple too. I got this greenish bluish one, and also this greenish one. I got several of these because, you know, everybody in my family has devices and could probably use a stylus or a pen. Now back in the health and beauty stuff, I'm not one to buy a lot of makeup, but I saw this, and I saw them hauled by other people too. I saw these water resistant, it's written in French, résistant à l'eau. Résistant, if you see resistant, and what you looks like glue, it means it's waterproof. It's water resistant, So, Cosmic Color, cat fur, Cosmic Color Maximum Volume mascara, and I'm assuming it's black. It doesn't give a color. It is sealed. So they had these, and I thought these look like a nice find. And I got this one, and I also got this one, which is Ultimate Length. and this one's maximum volume. This one is water resistant. This one does not say that it's water resistant. Who knows? Anyway, so I got these two mascaras. I do wear mascara occasionally, especially when I'm out in public. Here on YouTube, I don't know why. Some days I bother. I saw these pretty pencils. I've been wanting to find these by Jot. And I know that they have matching notepads and pencil cases. I've seen them hauled by people in the US, and I would like to find them myself. But I just love this woodland animal theme. So precious. So I got the pencils because I use pencils all the time. So 12 pack of pencils like that. And the final item I have to show for you are some vegetables. Some plastic vegetables from the children's toy section. These are toy vegetables, and I got these because I thought this was a good deal for repurposing, altering these for DIYs. I could see using the little pumpkin, the corn, the carrot, especially even the chili pepper. And I just thought I get 6 pieces of these plastic vegetables that I can alter into craft projects, into floral displays, putting on wreaths, any kind of project really. And I got all these pieces for $1.25 because I'm in Canada, and $1 in the US. So yeah, so that's why I got it, really, just for crafting possibilities. And I did buy more than one bag. So that's it for the Dollar Tree haul for today. I hope that you found something that I said in here useful for your own DIYing, crafting, etc. And if you like this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, stay crafty. Bye.